The Oklahoma Supreme Court today rejected a last-ditch attempt by the state to preserve this monument here outside the state capitol. It's right next to the state capitol building, and people had sued the state saying it was an improper use of state property to have it be the location of a Ten Commandments monument. And the state opposed that lawsuit and said, well, it has a secular and historic meaning apart from its religious nature, and it is a suitable monument at the state capitol. Well, they won the day in trial court, but it went to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said, no, you got to move it. You got to move it out of here. It violates the Oklahoma Constitution's prohibition on state property use for support of a religious purpose. In a last-ditch attempt, the state asked for a rehearing from the Supreme Court to re-argue the case. Just today, the Supreme Court said no, the ruling stands. It's going to give a mandate to the trial court to finally order this removed, and it may be removed within the next few weeks, possibly, but the exact timing of its removal has not been determined. Some state officials had suggested that if the Constitution prohibits this sort of a monument on state capitol grounds, well, then the state constitution should be changed. But in order for that to happen, the Oklahoma legislature would have to refer a ballot measure to the people for a vote. That could not take place until next year. Presumably, the monument would have to be removed before then.